What's up everyone, my name is George and today we're going to be changing the oil on this 1999 Mercedes CLK 320. So it should be similar for most vehicles. Some GM vehicles and Fords you will have to remove the differential back cover, but in this case I just have a drain bolt and fill bolt. It's straightforward. I will loosen the fill bolt first, loosen the drain bolt and drain the oil, and then fill it back up. In this case, the fluid is 80W90 for limited slip differential because I have LSD in this car, which is limited slip differential. So first, let's get this car up on jack stands, safe and secured. Okay, now since we have the car on jack stands all around, and we have the jack as an extra protective measure, there's a small gap between it and between the car. That is good enough. Jack stands over here, and the other side as well. Now before you restart, we should give the car a good shake and make sure it's not going anywhere, not moving. Now we can go underneath the car. Okay, so now after the car is secured very well, now we are here under the differential. So all what you need really for this car is a 14mm hex and the drain pan that you're gonna use when you drain. So first, this is the drain bolt on the passenger side, and there's the fill bolt on the other side. We want to loosen the fill bolt first. Okay, so going up in the driver's side, I don't know if you can see, that's the fill bolt right there. So we're gonna loosen that first. Okay, so I was able to loosen the fill plug. I had to use a couple of the extensions. So since this is loose, you can remove it and keep it off and drain the other side. Alright guys, so we are at the passenger side. This is the drain bolt. Now we can remove it after we loosen the fill bolt. The fluid is not gonna smell good, so okay, so sorry. Alright, so that's all the way in, and now that's pretty tight. Okay, we got it. Alright, so that's coming off pretty good. Okay, the drain pan ready. Okay, sorry, I can't see. Okay, alright, like that. I'm thankful it was cool. Okay, so I tried to clean around the drain plug and I put it back in. Nice and snug. Just don't over tighten these because they can strip easier than the regular bolts. Okay, so now this is the fill plug. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour the new fluid in it. It's just way too hard to film underneath here, so I cut the tip and then I'm just gonna put it in. It's all the way in. I'm gonna pour it inside. It's working because this diff takes 1.1 liters. I have 2 liters. I just swap the caps, the lids, and then I can just keep continuing to do this until the fluid comes out of the fill bolt. Okay, so just keep doing that until the fluid comes out of the fill bolt. Alright guys, so that was it for the diff fluid change. After you're done filling and the fluid starts coming out of the filler plug, you just snug it tight, and that's it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time.